bit muddy. It's a bit muddy. I think there's a Mercedes actually stuck in the mud by the looks of it. Jesus Christ almighty, this is muddy. Hopefully I'll be able to get out as well as in. I'm pretty sure there's a Mercedes up ahead that's just stuck in the mud, so we'll see. Oh, there's a nice AMG there. He is properly stuck. Look at this on the right. He's properly stuck in the mud. Oh, poor guy. Poor guy. Everyone's stuck. Jesus. Everyone is literally stuck. My God. Go, 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 go. Go. I don't know if you could hear that. Oh my. So right now, my steering wheel is right, but my wheels are straight. The mud has basically fucked my steering up. All good, great. So I'm nearly out. I basically, I don't know what's, this is just insane. There's so many cars behind. There's so many cars behind that are broken. This one's struggling. Jesus, man. My car's gonna get absolutely... This is ridiculous. Alright, okay. This is ridiculous. So now my steering wheel's pointed straight. I absolutely bricked it. I thought I'd broken my steering wheel then. Oh my God, this is insane. I'm so glad I'm out. Jesus Christ, literally my steering wheel was pointing right, and my steering wheel, don't get me wrong, Goodwood is is probably my favourite event in the UK. They just need to sort out the mud. It's British weather, for God's sake, why haven't you sorted it out? But yeah, that was insane, man. It's worse. I left early. I can't believe what I'm going to do later. It's pretty, yeah, chaotic. I'm gonna put some tunes on and let's roll home.